What if I told you this one free AI tool helped me make $100 in just 7 days? No fluff, just facts. Welcome to Prompt to Profit, the channel where AI meets income. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. The tool I used is called Udio, an AI music generator. It lets you create full songs with vocals in seconds. I used it to make short music videos that actually got engagement. Step 1, signed up on Udio, it's free. Step 2, wrote simple lyrics and chose a vocal style. Step 3, generated a 30-second music track. Step 4, uploaded to TikTok and YouTube Shorts with trending hashtags. Step 5, linked to a digital product in bio, like BeatStore or Gumroad. In 1 week, this strategy brought in $100, just from a few uploads and a smart bio link. Imagine scaling that. AI is the future, and you're just getting started. Want a full tutorial on this strategy? Drop a comment and I'll make it. Subscribe to Prompt to Profit for more AI income tricks.